What's up everybody, Dante here with an unboxing of my new gaming monitor for HP. It's the HP Omen 32-inch display. Now it's a quad HD display. Its resolution is 2560 by 1440, which is pretty good resolution. Now this is supposed to have the 100% of sRGB color space, so real color accurate display. So as you can see, I got my Evil Within shirt here. Get ready for the game coming out in a couple weeks, so I definitely want to get the monitor that can, frame rates and everything. And this also has AMD FreeSync, so if you got a graphics card that's compatible, all the choppiness and little blotchiness and all that stuff when it comes to gaming, this is supposed to eliminate that. But enough talk, let's get into this unboxing of this bad boy. Now HP has a Envy line and a Omen line now. Like the Omen line is a new gaming line that they've been doing for a few years now. I have one of their laptops. It goes up pretty well for most games that's out now, but everything can change because new graphics cards come out, anything comes out. Some literature here. This basic stuff that you get. What to do, what it does, power brick, a mount. So if you just want to have this thing mounted to something, which I will not be, I don't know what it is, but I just don't want to hang my monitor up on the wall like that. TVs, yeah, monitors, no. I have a HDMI cord. I remember when you used to buy stuff and they would never give you a mount, or not a mount, but like cable. Here with the stand. That is a stand, right? I hope you're saying it's a stand when I'm not even sure. And I have a display port. Yo, this is crazy. I know you never used to get this stuff. You had to buy everything. Things have changed. I like that. This down. Okay. Let me be a little safe here. Make sure I don't want to hurt myself with a knife. Yep, here we go. All right. Let's go, baby. And as you can see, you can tilt the screen and lean it back a little bit. Maybe you're in a high chair and you want to look down at the screen. Hey, to each his own. Like I said, I don't know. You got HDMI, you got a display port, and this is pretty much that. Let's see. Oh, this is all metal. Oh, it's not bad. I thought it was plastic when I seen it. Alright. It got the Omen sign on the back. Alright, let's see. Slide it on back a little bit. Alright, come on. Come on, baby, let's take this off. And there you have it. Well, what else does it have? sRGB, connectivity, 3000:1 contrast ratio, 32-inch display, the Omen sign. I don't like that name for some odd reason. Everything at the time I read that, I think of that movie that came out a while ago. Oh, well, I say a while, a long time ago now. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Now I'm gonna have a setup for this pretty soon, so stay tuned for this setup I'm gonna make for this bad boy. It's gonna be nice. Stay tuned. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It's not a computer, it's just a monitor, so there ain't no boot up thing, nothing like that. So stay tuned for the setup I got for this bad boy coming in a few weeks. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.